Most people assume entering the hobby-grade remote control world requires spending hundreds of dollars at a specialty shop. A handful of incredible, affordable RC cars now deliver genuine modular parts and impressive speeds without breaking the bank. And that's where our guide to the top 10 best RC cars under $100 you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Ready for hobby-grade action, the DEERC 9206E is a durable 1 to 10 scale 4 DEERC truck capable of reaching 30 miles per hour. It includes 2 rechargeable batteries for over 40 minutes of runtime, a mostly metal drivetrain, LED headlights, a wheelie bar, and an extra clear body shell for customization. Adjustable steering and throttle settings make it beginner-friendly, while heavier shock oil is recommended for smoother handling. Despite its wide turning radius, it offers excellent durability, upgrade potential, and impressive value. Compact yet capable, the Haiboxing 1-18-18-859 is a hobby-grade 4 DEERC monster truck that reaches 22 miles per hour with a 380 brushed motor. Its nylon chassis, metal drive shafts, and gear differentials provide excellent durability for dirt, gravel, pavement, and short grass. Water-resistant electronics add versatility, while the RTR package includes a 2.4 GHz transmitter and 2 7.4-volt lithium-ion batteries for over 35 minutes of runtime. Basic shocks are slightly bouncy but reliable for everyday bashing. Hypergo H16PL delivers hobby-grade performance with a 2,845 4,200 kV brushless motor, 45 amp ESC, and speeds over 25 miles per hour on 2S or 38 miles per hour on 3S. Its 4WD drivetrain features all-metal CVDs, gears, and differentials for lasting durability, while oil-filled shocks handle rough terrain with ease. 2 tire sets improve versatility across grass, sand, and tracks. The RTR package includes spare parts and extra body shells, making it an excellent value despite its basic radio system. Affordable performance makes the BEZGAR TB141 an excellent choice for beginners and younger RC fans. This 1-14 scale truck features a durable aluminum alloy body, tough ABS chassis, and speeds of 16 to 20 miles per hour. 2 rechargeable batteries deliver up to 35 to 45 minutes of runtime, while 4 adjustable LED headlights add fun after dark. The 2.4 GHz radio provides reliable, interference-free control, and the truck drives smoothly on grass, gravel, pavement, and carpet. Tight battery installation and a basic controller are its main compromises. Impressive value meets everyday performance with the DEERC 906E, a 1-12 scale 4WDRC truck featuring realistic styling, LED lights, and a rear spare tire. Its brushed motor delivers speeds up to 28 miles per hour, while the wide chassis and proportional steering provide stable handling on dirt, gravel, and grass. Reinforced bumpers, a protective roll cage, wheelie bar, and tethered body clips enhance durability. 2 included batteries provide up to 40 minutes of runtime, making it a dependable choice for beginners and casual RC enthusiasts.
The Holyton 110 large high-speed remote control car delivers impressive power and durability at a budget-friendly price, making it one of the absolute best RC cars under $100. With a top speed of 30 miles per hour, thanks to its all-terrain tires and upgraded motor, this car is built for thrilling drag races. The full-speed control system allows for smooth acceleration and precise handling, ensuring an exhilarating driving experience every time. Equipped with 4WD and metal oil shock absorbers, The Holyton RC car is designed to tackle tough terrains with ease. Whether you're driving through mud, sand, or grass, this car's independent suspension system and durable build provide stability and protection against crashes, ensuring longevity and performance in challenging conditions. The 2.4 GHz anti-interference control system extends the operating range to 330 feet, allowing for competitive racing without signal interruptions. Perfect for both beginners and intermediate users. This RC car bridges the gap between entry-level and high-end models, offering a taste of advanced RC driving at a fraction of the cost. The Hypergo H16DR is a powerhouse in the world of budget RC cars, standing tall as the fourth best under $100. Its aluminum-capped, oil-filled shocks absorb impacts with precision, ensuring smooth rides even over rough terrain. The shocks aren't just for show. They provide stability at high speeds, making the H16DR as safe as it is fun. Equipped with a 2S 7.4V 1050 mAh 25C LiPo battery and a robust 390 motor, this beast can roar up to 20 miles per hour, as measured by GPS. For those just starting out, a 70% throttle limiter is ideal for beginners, offering controlled speed that's perfect for kids. The truck's solid build is enhanced by a honeycomb-designed chassis, alloy steel drive shaft, and metal ball bearings, all working together for superior durability. The H16DR is versatile and compatible with both 2S and 3S batteries. Plug in a 3S LiPo and watch it hit a thrilling 27 miles per hour, bringing high-speed fun without breaking the bank. Whether it's popping wheelies, backflips, or tackling rough terrains, the Hypergo H16DR delivers an exhilarating RC experience. With a solid, well-thought-out design, it's an unbeatable choice for RC enthusiasts on a budget. The DEERC Brushless RC Cars 300E delivers high-speed thrills and rugged durability, making it one of the top contenders under $100. Capable of reaching up to 35 miles per hour, this 4x4 beast is powered by a brushless motor that operates at an impressive 90 to 95 meters per second. The four-wheel drive system, backed by independent suspensions, ensures exceptional off-road and on-road performance, giving you endless excitement on any terrain. The heart of this monster truck is its 2440 waterproof, brushless motor and 25A brushless ESC, which offers 2 to 3 times the lifespan of brushed motors while consuming only a third of the power. With 8 acceleration and timing options, you can fine-tune your driving experience to match your style. Plus, the waterproof design means you can rip through wet conditions without worry. Equipped with two 7.4V 1200 mAh LiPo batteries, the DEERC 300E provides up to 40 minutes of continuous action. An extra shell adds versatility, letting you switch up your ride's look on the fly. The 2.4 GHz pistol grip transmitter offers precise control, allowing up to 12 vehicles to race simultaneously. The Miebely RC Car stands out as one of the absolute best RC cars under $100, delivering exceptional speed, stability, and durability. Driven by a powerful brushed DC electric motor, this 4WD truck can reach speeds of over 25 miles per hour, offering an exhilarating experience for both kids and adults. Its classical design is complemented by robust features like sealed ball bearings, high-grip rubber tires, and an independent suspension system. The inclusion of 2 car bodies and two 1000 mAh batteries ensures extended playtime, making it a versatile choice for enthusiasts. The 2.4 GHz full-function radio control system provides a reliable control range of up to 260 feet, allowing multiple cars to race simultaneously without interference. This enhances the overall experience, making it perfect for friendly competitions. The RC car's articulated front and rear suspension, combined with spring-loaded independent suspension, delivers superior off-road performance, allowing it to conquer various terrains effortlessly. Whether navigating rocky paths or racing on smooth tracks, the Miebely RC Car excels with its anti-shock design and flexible build. The Haiboxing 16889 is a top contender for the best RC car under $100, offering both performance and durability. This 1/16th scale off-road beast features a hobby-class design with precision ball bearings and a solid gear drift, ensuring smooth control and exceptional maneuverability. The four-wheel independent suspension, equipped with high-resilience helical springs, delivers impressive damping for a stable, controlled drive across various terrains. Powered by a robust RC390 motor, the Haiboxing 16889 reaches speeds of up to 22.4 miles per hour, giving you a thrilling high-speed experience. With a 2.4 GHz radio control system, it maintains a reliable connection up to 280 feet, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned drivers. The adjustable speed switch adds versatility, allowing for multiple cars to race simultaneously. Built for off-road adventures, this RC car excels on rocky roads, grasslands, and even in the mud, thanks to its splash-proof electronics and powerful LED headlights that cut through the dusk. The two 1000 mAh batteries ensure up to 40 minutes of runtime, making it perfect for extended play sessions. Easy to assemble and disassemble, the Haiboxing 16889 is the ideal choice for anyone seeking a reliable, fast, and fun RC car at an unbeatable price. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.